Welcome to Python tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to teach you how to install Anaconda Python on Windows 10. So Anaconda Python is one of the most popular distribution of packaged Python, and it can be downloaded from anaconda.com/products/individual. So visit the anaconda.com and under the products, select individual edition. Anaconda Python is available for Windows, Linux and many other operating systems. For Windows, click here and it is being downloaded now. Download is completed. Now we can click on the exe file. After clicking the exe file, installer will start. The installer is started, and we can proceed for the installation. Click next. Click I agree. Click next, and this is going to install in user/nick/anaconda 3. Click next. Click next, and the installer is now installing the Anaconda Python. Anaconda Python is successfully installed. Click next, and then click finish. So search for Anaconda and select the Anaconda prompt. This opens the Anaconda prompt. Python 3.9.7 is installed. Python 3.9.7 is Python 3.9.7 is installed with Anaconda Python. You can type Python and the prompt is displayed. The Python prompt is displayed. So it is Anaconda Python. Our Anaconda Python is working fine and we are able to successfully install on Windows 10. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.